With the first clip ready, you want to bring the indicator like shown. Now press S on your keyboard and press the clock like I did. Bring your indicator to the very end of the clip. Now you want to drag the 100 and then it is going to zoom in your frame for you to adjust on whatever you're satisfied. Now highlight your keyframes like I did here. Now right click on one of the keyframe assistant and press on easy ease. To smooth everything out, press on graph. If the transition starts at the very end, then the curve is at the very end. Now with the second clip, you want to start off in the very beginning. And now press S on your keyboard. Now press on the clock, but this time you want to move your keyframe all the way to the very end, but not really at the end. Now in the beginning of the clip, you want to drag it, but this time to the left to however small you'd like it to be. I like mine's around 45. Now just the same, highlight your keyframe like I did here, right click on one of it, keyframe assistant and easy ease. Now the curve is at the very beginning because that's where the transition starts. You can mess with the graph to explore. Now go to effects and presets and search up motion tile and just drag it onto your second clip. What it's going to do is it's going to prevent that black background. Now follow what I did here. And don't forget to press on mirror edges. Now to smooth out your whole transition, you want to add blur and it is right here. You can follow my blur settings if you would like to. And that's basically it for this zoom in transition. Now for the zoom out. Have your indicator here and press on S on your keyboard. Click the clock. Bring your indicator at the very end of the clip and then just drag the 100 onto your left. To however you'd like. I like to go 42. Now make sure your keyframe's at the very end. Now highlight the keyframe like so, right click on one of it, keyframe assistant and easy ease. Now press on your graph to smooth it out, and then if the transition's at the end, the curve is at the end like this. It's very easy, right? Okay, now go back and search for motion tile again to remove your black background and don't forget to drag it. And do the same like what you did to your zoom in mirror tiles. 300 means there are 3 pictures in a row. Now onto the beginning of the second clip, press on it and then press on S on your keyboard and the clock. Now drag that keyframe all the way almost at the very end. Now drag the 100 at the very right and make it as close as you want. Now highlight the keyframe, right click on one of them, keyframe assistant and easy ease. Now go to graph and this time the curve is at the beginning because that's where the transition starts. Don't forget blur, and that's basically it.